And tomorrow, of course, we hear from Fed Chair Powell himself. So what should we expect both from the committee's decision, from his comments afterwards from the docs? Steve Leisman has the results from our latest Fed survey. Hi, Steve.
Hey, Kelly, we're going to talk here about how respondents think about the two biggest parts of the Trump administration's policies, and they are giving poor marks to those two most visible parts, which are obviously the tariffs and DOGE, and this has an effect on the outlook for Fed policy. Tariff policy is almost uniformly viewed by our 32 respondents as bad for inflation, bad for growth, and bad for jobs. In fact, 88% say it's bad for growth and looks to be part of the reason for a downgrade in the GDP outlook and an upgrade in the recession probabilities. One of the administration's claims is that tariffs will bring back manufacturing to the U.S. Respondents are skeptical. 37% do see a potential increase in domestic manufacturing, but 22% see no change. And in fact, 34% say there could be a decline. John Riding, chief economic advisor at Breen Capital, writes in, tariffs are a tax hike, plain and simple, that at the macroeconomic level will boost prices and depress growth. These increases are pushing the public's long-term inflation expectations sharply higher, which poses a dilemma for the Fed if the economy turns down. The Department of Government Efficiency also seen as negative for growth and employment by a strong majority, but 75% think it will have a deflationary impact. We don't know if that offsets the inflationary impact from tariffs. Bottom line is that for now, forecasters are struggling to price in the upside from the president's policies, even while he says it's coming. The result, they have raised their growth outlook and they've raised their inflation outlook as well and see somewhat greater chance of a recession. And as we said, Kelly, looking for two hikes this year, two rate cuts this year, but that is on the line with that summary of economic projections tomorrow from the Fed.